Today, let's take a look at a Singer 533. It's actually the Singer Stylist 533. This particular machine is made in Great Britain. It is for sale on eBay. I will include a link to the eBay listing. Here's some pictures of the actual machine. As you can see, there's lots of controls for your zigzags. Tension control knob, very nice. Stitching feet. Bobbin cover. Here's the rear. You see the stitch length control and the push button for the reverse. Here we have the full deck on it versus the swing arm. Nice pedal included, and it does come with a case also. There's the rear of the machine. Very nice machine. It's got some scuffs here and there, but very lightly used at the moment. Now let's take a look at the stitching. Everything I did with it, it did absolutely great. I'm not a great sewer. The machine is a great stitching machine. It did open zigzags, then closer zigzags, smaller zigzags. Try to get a variety. Great straight stitching machine. Probably good for quilting machine. I'm not a quilter, so I'm not real sure, but I wouldn't see why it wouldn't be. It'll certainly do all the zigzag stitching that you wish with all the different controls. It does come with a manual and a pocket CD, so you'll be able to know what all it does do. It'll stitch it away. We've got several different variations there. And again, this is for sale on eBay, so check it out. Great stitching machine. And it's got several different control buttons. I didn't really get into it a whole lot, so I can't explain everything because I'm not a great zigzag machine stitcher. Let's take a look at the stitches. Hey, they're looking nice. As you can see, I did some closers, open, closer, narrower. Be great machine for buttonholing. Absolutely very nice stitching machine. That was the back right there. But I'll tell you, this machine will do anything you ask it to do. Again, it's for sale on eBay. I will post a link to the eBay listing. Very nice machine, very solid. It's ready for a lot of good use. Hey, it's been fun showing it to you. Have a great day.